everyone, my name's Sarah from Sarah Nails It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple and fun at-home spa pedicure. You can do this pedicure on yourself or maybe even a friend to treat them. Everything I'm going to be using can be found at Sally Beauty Supply. You'll also need a large bowl or a tub to soak your feet in. I hope that I'm able to provide you some easy tips and tricks to get the perfect pedicure for yourself. I hope you enjoy. Start by filling a large bowl or your bathtub with warm water and Jenna Pedi Soak. A nice optional spa-like touch to bring your at-home pedi to the next level is to add fresh lemon and orange slices to your water. Soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes. Using a cotton round and acetone, remove your nail polish. Trim your nails using the heel-to-toe nail clipper, starting by trimming a little at a time and cutting your nails straight across the top. Using the Tropical Shine 100-180 grit file, using the less abrasive side, file your toenails to your desired length and shape. I recommend keeping them as least curved around the corners as possible to prevent your nails from growing incorrectly. Using an orange wood stick, gently push back your cuticles. Using a pair of gloves and the callus off included in your Jenna Perfect Pedicure Feet to Go kit, apply a generous amount to your ultimate Mr. Pumice. Allow a few minutes for the callus removal to soak into your calluses. Start working away your calloused areas, typically at the back of the heels and on your big toes using your pumice. Apply Jenna Pedi Scrub on your feet and legs. Using Jenna Pedicure, apply to your feet and legs to exfoliate away any dry and dead skin. A nice optional spa-like touch is to take 2 hand towels, get them wet, and roll them up. You can microwave them for 30 seconds or as long as you'd like for your desired hot towel experience. Wrap a towel around each leg for about a minute and wipe away the excess product. Using Jenna Pedicure, apply and rub into your heels and legs for a nice and moisturizing massage. Very important, use a new cotton round and acetone to cleanse your nails after your pedicure. This will ensure to remove the oils from the product so that your polish will last longer. Using the heel-to-toe separators, place in between each toe to prevent rubbing or smudging toes while polishing. Using OPI Natural Nail Base Coat, apply a thin coat to each toenail. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to dry. Using your choice of color, I'm using the Thrill of Brazil by OPI. Paint a coat onto each nail, trying to only do 2 to 3 strokes from the cuticle to the tip. This will help to have a smoother application. Pro tip, wrap your nails by polishing the edges of your nails to prevent chipping. Repeat this step for a second coat of polish. Using an orange wood stick and a small piece off of a cotton round, wrap the cotton around the tip of the orange wood stick. Dip in acetone and use to clean the edges or anywhere extra polish may have gotten. Using OPI Infinite Shine Top Coat, apply a thin coat to each nail. Allow 3 to 5 minutes before removing your toe separators. Now, go enjoy those beautiful feet.